People that don't know this specific cough syrup are just like kind of appalled that there is cough syrup in a drink. Hi, my name is Elton Keung, the owner of Labobatory. In college, turning 21, the idea of alcoholic boba came to be, and I started to learn how to make boba, learn how to take bartending classes and mixology classes, and combining all those skills into making like primitive versions of alcoholic boba at parties at USC. My most popular drink is the green tea Heineken and the Bobagasm, which is like a white Russian. I started to really play with hard liquor more. There's some like drinks like Taro Mezcal and Jack Daniel's green tea. Boba is a tapioca starch ball. We cook it and then we soak it, marinate it in honey and brown sugar. On November 2016, I did a Kickstarter campaign and was successful in raising $61,000. Fast forward to today, we're 2 years and going really strong. Now we don't have a liquor license here, so we don't do alcoholic boba here, but we do a lot of events that we throw ourselves for alcoholic boba. When it comes to the drinks themselves, we try really hard to be very innovative. We've created a new drink every Wednesday for the past 43 weeks. Cough syrup green tea. It's a Gingdong Nim Siam Chunbui Pei Pago, right? Like a serving of that along with some honey. So when you drink it, it's like soothing. It has like a menthol feeling throughout the whole drink. People that don't know this specific cough syrup are just like kind of appalled that there is cough syrup in a drink. People that know this stuff and like this stuff are excited because they know a drink made with this stuff probably will taste good. Keto Kado, it's white chocolate milk topped with matcha, so it does taste like matcha Kit Kats. People also get a kick out of the ABG, Asian Boba Girl. Growing up around here, I think you look at boba culture a little differently. It's always been a part of our lives. We know exactly what it is. We know when it's good and we know when it's bad, and it's just boba's in our blood. I think in the future, I do want more stores like this around LA so I can reach more people. But I think before I even do that, I want to get like a bar set up, so a boba cocktail bar.
For more videos on boba, its history, and how it's made, check out the links below.